Note, this recipe is for almost 8 glasses. Take cause 3 tablespoons. Take fennel 1 tablespoon. Take dried melon seeds 2 tablespoons. Take almonds 30. Soak everything in water for almost 5 hours. Wash everything completely. Add everything in a grinder. Add 0.5 teaspoon. Add water less than half of a cup. Add black pepper 5 to 6. Add sugar 6 tablespoons. Now grind it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add milk 1 glass. Grind for 1 minute. Now filter it like this. Add 5 glasses of water. Now filter it like this. Now Sardai is ready. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.